Njengamanje ke sesidlala ama game sifuna ukwazi ukuthi bazana kangakanani so sibanikezile ke uPink no Blue ubaba phakamisa uBlue ba ukuthi ubaba uzokwenza leyo nto umama phakamisa uBlue so sibadlalisa leyo game mase siqeda ke leyo game sekusenza esikuzele ke igender reveal ibhaluni lethu seli ready ekuzomela beliphope sibone ukuthi ingane ufana noma intombazane masiqeda lama games.
Uzobabuza ke imibuzo ihamba kanje. Umbuzo engizowubuza if Prue ufile ngazuthi uPopo uphakamisa inepkini Blue. Popo if umbuzo ngobuzayo ufile ngazuthi uNkosi uphakamisa inepkini Pink noma ufile ngathi wena uphakamisa inepkini Blue na kanjalo nakwena Prudence. So guys ke siyalalela kumbuzo ke ke right, first question. Who will change the baby more nappies? Right. The second question. Who will be more patient parent? Same, right? Hayi basana 1-1 vele. Akekho sahlula omunye. Score 1-1. Okay, third question. Who will be more nervous during labor and delivery of the baby?
Both.
Right. It's 4 question. Okay, guys, obviously, guys, obvious. Who will take more photographers of the baby? Okay. Number 5 question. Who will be the streetiest? Okay. Who will be the street parent? Okay. Question is 6. Who will be singing the Lula baby? Right, who will the baby look more alike?
Obvious. How Blue
Baba. Hey, score 10. I'm sorry, she's score. Okay. Okay, Nancy, any question? I think it's the second to last one. Who will be the fastest at getting the baby into the car seat?
Baba.
Okay. Who will be the parent most deprived of sleep? Okay, the last question. Who will be more confused about assembling baby gears?
Confusion. Oh God,
I paid it, guys.
Hallelujah. Oh, my finally.
Yeah.
Hayi ngeke. Thina discipline. Asikazi
Awubela manje kwazi. Kahle ngisho ngisiyenzani. Awula lokhala ubambile nje. Okay guys, sesizoza with us item yethu ne, which is our gender reveal. So we've got a balloon that they're gonna pop. So we must have teams. So I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to do it seated here. I was thinking we should stand somewhere. Then it's team pink, it's a girl, it's a bandawonye, it's a boy. Abayifanele nathi abathi silenza noma yini. Senza esikuzeleke i-gender reveal, ibhaluni lethu seli-ready ekuzomele beliphophe sibone ukuthi ingane umfana noma intombazane masiqeda lama games.
Mara baby kungami, konke lokho baby kungami, oh baby kungami, baby kungami, baby kungami, baby kungami. It's a Isagala vuga,